In this video, I'm going to show you how to export all subdomains of a domain to Excel. As an example, we will be extracting LG subdomains to an Excel spreadsheet that will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's go! To extract LG subdomains, we'll use the Subdomains Finder tool. Find the link to the bot in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Enter the bot name, Subdomains Finder, into the search bar. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. For example, LG Subdomains. Enter the root domain. For example, lg.com. Select notification type. Available options include email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, and Zapier. Click the green button to launch the bot into action. Once the bot is finished, you'll see the blue completed sign. Click on Excel, CSV, or JSON to save the extracted subdomains to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. Look what we have. All LG subdomains and their nesting levels are in a well-organized spreadsheet. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Subdomains Finder and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.